Hello from part 2 from Skanörs Nudist Beach, located in Vellinge, Skanör, Sweden. Yes, I have already shown you the first part of the beach at the very beginning, where it has much more beautiful sand and more sand dunes to get shelter from the wind. But I decided to check the rest of the beach, as it was marked on Google Maps as quite longer than a normal beach. But then as I was walking, I just came to a point where it started to be the sand to disappear, and it wasn't that pretty anymore as I was approaching towards the closer to the Öresund bridge that connects Sweden and Denmark. So yeah, 12th of May 2024, 13 degrees Celsius in the air right now. It's almost 5 p.m. and I'm exploring still in Malmö region, actually Skanör region, but I was staying in Malmö now for 4 days for Eurovision, and today on this Sunday I have a full day to explore the beach adventures as the Eurovision joy is over. So yeah, this is the 4th beach adventure for today. I'm gonna explore a bit more later as well. Let's see how many I can make it until my train that departs towards Stockholm at 23:00, 11 p.m. Cool, okay, then this is it. There's nothing much more that you can see. So I would definitely recommend to see the part 1, how it is on the beginning of the beach, as this is now I'm actually in the middle of the beach and towards the other end. So here you won't get any shelter from the wind. And in Skanör, this part of Sweden, south of Sweden, it's blowing all the time. Even now it's blowing. So yeah, I'm exploring Skanör, but also Falsterbo. Those two smaller towns are interconnected, and I will head to Falsterbo now after this beach adventure here. Yes, the sea is the same as the white sandy beach I have shown you also previously, here from Skanör, from the main beach, public beach, that has a very huge sandy part. And even though the episode with the colorful houses also, it was very nice sand there as well. But here, as the beach is coming to an end, it's very less sand, but the sea is amazing, and the same beautiful sea. So yeah, I'm so happy now to take the 4th swim for today, despite being only 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 8.4 degrees Celsius in the sea, based on the satellite measurement. Right. That is strange, there are 2 swans here. I had no idea that swans live on the sea, because this is not a lake, but the saltiness of the water is very low, so maybe that's why the swans can be adapted to this nature over here. And yeah, as I was walking past the Nudist Beach, there were a total of 3 to 4 people that were enjoying on the beach, sunbathing. So yeah, okay, I'm still walking and it's still not deep enough, so let's continue then. More. Let's see, where are we going to end up? Yes, so it's very nice here actually. It's very nice. It's good to change the Stockholm beach adventures with another part of Sweden. it feels great. All right, I think this is okay now for a dip here. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Huh. Beautiful. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Yes, Skanör Nudist Beach in Vellinge, Skanör region, Sweden. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!